Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes PC or laptop freezing fix hanging issues fast. First method is press Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method, press Ctrl, Alt and Delete keys. Third method, press Ctrl, Alt and Delete keys. Restart system. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.